Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Friday, August 14. The Ministry of National Security and Excelsior Community College have signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU for the Bachelor of Science program in Business Administration. Among the offerings of the MOU is the opening of the degree program to the ministry staff and their families. Phase 1 of the agreement was brokered in 2019, and now 70 employees are currently enrolled in the bachelor's program. Speaking at Wednesday's signing ceremony, Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of National Security, Diane McIntosh, said the program aims to educate, train, and certify participants so that they can compete at world-class standards. An internal audit that was conducted by the ministry revealed that approximately 29% of its staff members did not have the minimum qualification needed for the post they currently occupy.
Commencing in September 2020, the ministry now, in partnership with the ECC, will be introducing several new programs to further boost the organizational capacity, support staff development with the ministry, such as the online BSc and the CSEC's training for auxiliary staff and other training programs.
The Permanent Secretary said the pursuit of higher education epitomizes a mechanized response to improving the ministry's capacity to respond to matters of national security, while enhancing informed discussion on policies and matters of national interest. Principal of the community college, Fillmore McCarthy, said the upskilling program is a strategy in ensuring that the Jamaican workforce, in particular the workers of the Ministry of National Security, are certified and prepared for their roles and functions.
This program, we believe, will enable such activities to be realized. It will also ensure that the quality services that will be provided by different government agencies will improve. And in so doing, the productivity and effectiveness of the Jamaican workforce, as well as services to our citizens, will be improved.
The Ministry of Education says it is taking steps to address the concerns of parents regarding the reopening of school this September. Acting Chief Education Officer in the Ministry of Education, Dr. Kassan Troop, sought to allay the fears of parents during a virtual webinar yesterday.
We can't say definitively that everything that we have planned will work. But what I can tell you, we are collaborating, we are communicating, we are reimagining, we are redesigning, and we are changing as we go along. There's no static approach in treating it back to school. We have to be flexible, we have to be agile, we have to listen, we have to do research, and all of that is taking place to make sure that school can take place come September.
She said that principals have been trained and are doing the clinical planning and organizing so that their schools can operate efficiently.
We have the education in emergency, administration guidelines. We have the education in emergency, reopening plan for schools. We have the administration in emergency, education in emergency, curriculum implementation schedule and actual examples. We have actually developed our psychosocial plan to a point in which it is even granular, where an actual plan can be picked up from a school leader and a guidance counselor and utilize that for our students.
During the webinar, which was conducted under the theme Managing the Jamaican Education Landscape During the COVID-19 Pandemic, From Planning to Implementation, the ministry outlined policies for the education sector in the context of the pandemic and beyond. Presentations were made by numerous representatives from the World Bank, UNESCO, UNICEF, and the CARICOM Secretariat. 6 new samples have tested positive for the novel coronavirus in the last 24 hours, which brings the total number of confirmed cases in Jamaica to 1,071. The newly confirmed cases are 1 female and 5 males, with ages ranging from 10 to 61 years of age. The cases were recorded in the parishes of Kingston and St. Andrew with 3 cases, St. Thomas with 2 cases, and St. Catherine with 1 case. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton gave the update during the ministry's COVID Conversations digital press conference on Thursday.
3 cases are contacts of confirmed cases, and 3 cases are under investigation. In terms of recoveries, 1 additional case has recovered and been released from care. Total recoveries are now at 754.
Dr. Tufton noted that there are now 241 active cases currently under observation, 6 moderately ill patients and 1 critically ill patient. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.